Next is the method name. This is the name of the method or a function. Just like class name, method name follows the naming conventions of identifiers. Let's recap on the naming conventions of identifiers. Identifiers can be made of letters, digits, underscore character, and $sign. Remember that Java is case sensitive. Continuing with the rules, remember that an identifier cannot begin with a digit. Also, avoid using $ in your program since it's preserved by many tools. After the first character, your method names can include any letter or number.
By convention, Java methods have meaningful names. Often they are made of several words combined. The first word is lowercase, but all following words have an initial uppercase letter. Remember that any of the Java keywords cannot be used as an identifier. The parameter list is a comma-separated list of variables of a method which are referred to as its arguments or parameters. A method or function may be without any parameters, in which case the parameter list is empty. The parameter declaration list for a method or function takes this general form. Type varname1, comma, type varname2, comma, and so on. Any number of variables can be mentioned in the parameter list. The type refers to the data type for that particular variable. We had mentioned that the parameter list of a function can be empty. This is an example of an empty parameter list. Parameters that appear in the method definition are called as formal parameters, whereas the parameters that appear in the method call statement are called as actual parameters. Actual parameters are called so because they determine the actual values that are sent to the method. They are also called as arguments, and the formal parameters are also called as parameters. Note that the actual parameters or arguments are declared of the same data type as are the formal parameters defined in the signature of the method. The methods live inside classes. So in order to exist within a Java program, a method has to exist inside a class. A Java program can have many classes, and each class can have several methods. Few related terms. Method signature basically refers to the number and type of arguments in the method definition, and it is part of the method prototype. Method prototype includes the method signature and the return type.